Hello, friends. Today is like another day where you just kind of wish you just had a little bit of rain once in a while. You know, they got a lot of rain in Florida, and I would consider moving to Florida. The only problem with Florida is there's too many New Yorkers there. And I've learned not to, whenever I see someone with a New York Knicks jersey or a Yankees cap, I've learned not to walk up and talk to them because of, I used to walk, hey, you're from New York? I'm from New York too. They're like, so what? What else is new? Who cares? You know, I left New York to leave that kind of an attitude. So anyway, let's forget about the negativity. Let's think about some rain. From the movie Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid, raindrops keep falling on my head. Let's just imagine we're getting a little bit of rain on our head, you know? Now I'm going into What Do You Get When You Fall in Love, another case of pneumonia. That's a Dionne Warwick song. All right, guys, I'm going to have a couple sips of water.